Hello, children. This we are going to learn mathematics. The mathematics notes, I think already you are written in the note. In the Zoom class also, I gave this spellings test. Chapter 1, the topic is numbers up to 200. This spelling words thoroughly we studied and already you wrote the test. So now the Roman number 2, the topic is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is given here in the fill in the blanks? The number name of 140. How you are to write 140? If you know the spelling, 1 O-N-E 100 spelling and 40 spelling. Okay, this one how to write easy way I teach you in the this lesson last. Now number 2, this one listen carefully. This one many example I am going to teach you now. 118 is written as 118. 118 how we will write? 118 will you write like this? Some they will write like this way. 118. Is this correct? First writing 100. Then afterwards writing 18. Is this correct? No. How you are to write 118? 118. 118. Like this only you are to write. Suppose it's the number is given 140. 140. Like this you are to write? No. 140. Understand? Don't confuse like this way. For that only I given one example in the fill in the blanks. Next one. The place value of 1 in 196. 196. The place value of 1. Here is 196 is here. Okay. Which is the place value here? We have studied now in the many videos I have taught you ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, in which place the 1 is? Which place? It's in a ones place or tens place or in hundreds place? It's in a 100 place. So you are writing the number 100. Understand? Okay, now the next. This thoroughly we have studied. Okay, now I will draw here. See here. What is this? Apple, mango, grapes, banana, cherry. So here just 5 pictures I took. Now the banana is in which position? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. I have written in the Roman number. The other number also I taught you in the Zoom class. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. In the names also we studied. Okay. Now banana is in which position? The fourth place. Fourth position. Banana is in the fourth place. Mango is in which position? Second. Okay. First, second. No. That is the ordinal number tells the position. Position spelling already you have learned in the spelling words. Now come to this one. Match the following. Match the following. Expanded form of 184. How will you expand? 100 plus 80 plus 4. This is expanding and showing. This one short way we are writing. This one for short thing we are expanding and showing. So here where is that answer? 100 and 84. Expand and shows where this one, this one, this one, this one. Yes, here. So it's a number 1. You have to match it with the number only, not a lines. Next one, number 2. The 100 plus 2 tens. Okay, now see 100 plus 110 and 2 tens. 100 and 2 tens, what will come? 100, 2 tens, how much? 20, no? So how we'll write this one? 120. So where it is? This one? It's the correct answer. 80, 74, 18 is the correct answer. This one? No, it is here 120. 100 plus 210. 210 is 20. So 120 we wrote and we matched with the number. Got it, children? Okay. Number 3. Decreasing order. Decreasing means big to small. Okay, big to small. Big number to small number. Where it comes? Big number to small number. 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Big to small. It comes small to big. And it's not also correct one. 8, 17, 80, 74, 18. Big number, small number, then small number. And here comes 1, 3, 5, 7. No. So here is the thing. So big to small. 84, 70, 80, 84 and 80 is the big number is 80, 74 small number, then small number. So it is number 3, decreasing order. This one is in a decreasing order. Next one, even number. Even number. You know, no, even numbers should have a pairs. Pairs numbers all. How it will come? In Zoom class you all learn, no? S. Like this. Pairing. 2, 4, 6. This all pairs. Okay, between that one 3 will not pair, 5 will not pair, 7 will not pair, like that. What number is that? Yes, 2, 4, 8. This is the even number. Next you see odd number. What is left over? 1, 3, 5, 7 is the odd number. Like this you have to identify and match the following with the numbers. The question number 1 means in the answer matching also 1. No putting lines, kachabusan making. Okay. Next Roman number 4. Write ordinal numbers. This clearly I explained in the Zoom class. Clearly I explained, and one thing I left, that also I want to explain now. Listen carefully. And those who didn't attend the class, you can listen and understand this one. This is the cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the cardinal number. For the cardinal number, number name and the number I wrote. For the cardinal number, they are asking you to write the ordinal number. Okay. Here the cardinal number is given. Here you are going to write the ordinal number. For 1, what is the ordinal number? First. How you will write it in a number? 1 and ST first. This is the Roman number first. Okay. Second, third. This clearly in the Zoom class I explained you. You all remember? Yes. It's very easy. First, second, third. Till here if you learn spelling, after that and all, see FOUR4, TH fourth. This will change. FI, VE is here, but here is FIF, TH fifth. Then next and all same thing. SIX, TH adding sixth. SEVEN 7, SEVEN, TH seventh. Okay. 8, EIGHT. Here see EIGHT, only adding H, eighth. 9, N-I-N-E-T-H, ninth. T-E-N-T-H, tenth. What here comes? See here. First, S-T-Y I am putting here short way. The last letter, no, that S-T if you put, the number will change into ordinal number. N-D, the last letter, N-D, no, that N-D I am writing. R-D, R-D, T-H, T-H. Rest all will come T-H, 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 T-H. And this is the Roman number of the ordinal. Okay? Understand, children? Now, Roman number 5. Write number names from 1 to 100. Okay? 1 to 100 we are going to write. Only see ONE1, TWO2, THRE 3, FOUR 4, F5VE 5, SIX6, SCVEN 7, EIGST 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. This you all know thoroughly because from LKG you are studying it. ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, THIRTEN 13. This also will come easy way. THIR, here TEN, FOUR, TEN. 50 will not know. Same thing FIF and TEN. 16 SIX 6 TEN. 7 spelling SCVEN 7 TEN 17. 18 same thing. 19 but 20 will change. TWENTY 20. Okay. The next you come here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What means you told write number name from 1 to 100 means only this much only 1 to 100. If you know this spellings, you can write all the spellings for the numbers. Okay, I'll write and show you now. Listen carefully. Okay, now just I'm going to write a number, one number I'm going to write here. Okay, 126. Okay, 126. For this, can you write a number name from this? Yes. Where is 100? 100. Okay, one spelling. Where is one spelling? O-N-E, 1. 100 spelling is where? 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 20, 20, no. Where's the 20 spelling? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Right, take and write the 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. What number is given? 6. Where's the 6 spelling? S-I-X, 6. Got it? If you know only these names, you can write for any numbers the number name. Okay, one more number I'll write. 112. 112. So, one spelling you know. 100 spelling. What's the spelling for 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 12 spelling is here. Is 12 spelling is here. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Whatever number is given, if you know this spellings, easily you can write. For that only short way I have given you to learn this one. No learning and writing for all the things. If you know this one, 20 spelling, 30 spelling, you have to learn thoroughly. Whatever number is given, you should know to write the number names with the word. Okay, children, this is your lesson, and after this I have given the notes. No, only this one I didn't give. This week, after this video, I'll send this one. You write it and finish up this one. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye.